Tata Steel has officially launched the second phase of its Kalinga expansion project in Odisha, committing 27,000 crore rupees, approximately $3.2 billion, to boost the plant's production capacity from 3 million tons per annum (MTPA) to 8 MTPA. The upgraded facility now includes India's largest blast furnace, signalling Tata Steel's intensified push to solidify Odisha as a core hub in its national and global operations. The Kalinga plant, which began operations in 2016, is central to Tata Steel's long-term growth strategy. The Phase 2 expansion was inaugurated in May 2025 and is expected to significantly increase the company's ability to meet rising domestic and export demand, particularly in automotive, infrastructure, and renewable energy sectors. Odisha, which produces over 50% of India's iron ore, continues to attract large-scale investment from resource-intensive industries. Tata Steel benefits from captive mines in the region, ensuring long-term supply chain stability. The proximity to deep-water ports like Paradeep and Dhamra enables efficient export routes to Southeast Asia and Europe. Although these projects are independently funded, they reflect the strategic ecosystem Tata Steel is fostering around its Odisha assets. India's steel demand is expected to double by 2030, and Tata Steel's move ensures it remains at the forefront of this growth. With increasing geopolitical shifts away from China and toward diversified supply chains, Odisha is emerging as a crucial anchor in India's industrial landscape.